Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Woo, sneak peek time. Yes, that is right. We are opening this week's sneak peek. It is a Diamond Art Club square and it's called Simpler Times. Oh my goodness, if you like Dona Gelsinger, you are going to love this. I am absolutely in love. I need to dive in. This is already knocked off something for 2024. Look at this. We're going to turn this around so you guys can see how gorgeous is this. We're going to get a closer up look. Like I said, it is a square. It is a 36.6 inch by 27.6 inch. What does that translate into? 95 centimeter by 70 centimeter. This is quite an experience you guys will be opening and doing. So let's see. I opened up the box, pulled out what's in, and let's enjoy the festivities. So we have our amazing Diamond Art Club Toolkit. On the back, it tells you what's in here. Applicator, comfort grip, heart-shaped wax container, craft container, tray stopper, multi-placer, cover minder, washi tape, Ziploc baggies, and tweezers. I'm going to dive in real quick and see what's in here before we look at the colors of this beautiful canvas. Okay, so just like it said, everything's in here. Here's your baggies. Here's your washi tape. Here's your wax container. There's 2 heart waxes. See the little plastic shine? You're going to want to pull that plastic off before you apply your wax. Here's this beautiful light blue with some sparkles. You've got this light blue squishy that goes on your single placer. They give you multi-placers, a 4 and a 7. You can put it right here on the end, and now you can double dip. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Then you've got your tweezers that have the Diamond Art Club logo on it. Careful, they're super sharp. Tweezers come with the square kits. You've got your cover minder. Basically, one magnet goes on the back, this goes on the top, and it holds back the plastic or holds the plastic on if you're not done with that area, but there's not enough sticky space to put the plastic back on. Then you have your tray with your stopper. You can put right here. So when you shaky, nothing falls out. All right, I'm going to move that off to the side. You're going to get a sticker. I love this sticker. You can put it on the end of your box. You can put it on top of your storage. You can do whatever you want. Your logbook. Great to have a sticker that has the name of the canvas, the licensed artist, the square, round, and the size. Now we're going to dive into this beauty. It comes plastic wrapped around the canvas, plastic wrapped around the box, and the box itself is in a shipping container. All right, we're going to dive in here. So you know, with all of that, your canvas is going to come in the best condition humanly possible, no matter what the shipping company decides to do to it. Can you hear that? Just take a moment to feel it. Enjoy the sensory of diamond painting. This is Diamond Art Club's patented backing. It feels like velvet. And we have 80 colors, people. 80 colors in this baby. Now, it is so big, I'm going to have to do it in little tiny shots. But let's unroll the magic. Look at all of that gorgeous green. Can you not enjoy the watermelon right here in the back? Got this beautiful truck that says produce. Guys, I'm in love with this. Look at the house in the back. It's saying, come and have a cup of lemonade with me. Yes, lemonade. let's look at this beauty. Look at those colors, all those flowers, the fence, the detail. You can see the daisies down there. They're just popping alive. Oh my Lanta. There's the rooster and the hens. They're out there. Clickety clap, clippity clap. Absolutely gorgeous. The tree. Look at the detail in the tree. Let's get a close-up look. All of those different colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, if we look closely, we can see the symbols and how clear they are. Right there. So you wouldn't need a light pad, however, I use a light pad for fun. For funsies. For funsies. Okay. So let's... The colors, 80 colors, all right? So in here, you're going to get your sticker sheet. And don't worry, because it has 80 colors, it's on a second page. Boop. So you're going to get this sticker sheet. Again, this side is a sticker. You can put it in your logbook. Do whatever you want. You could cut it out since you have two. Put on your storage containers that you kit up in. Or if you have your baggies, you can put these stickers over here. They're all separated. You can put those on your baggies if that's how you kit up, or on your sticker boxes. You name it, you decide. Okay? Now here, anything below a 150 is going to be an AB. So we've got six numbers below 150. We're going to look at where those ABs are. And then anything with a letter in front of it is a special. And Z stands for fairy dust. I know, Z, fairy dust, who knows? And we have 3 fairy dust here. So that is 6 plus 3. That is 9 special drills included in this kit. That is over 10% of the kit, right? Because if this were 90 and you had 9, that would be 10%. So that's well over 10% of this kit. Now, let's open the drills and then let's see where these colors are, okay? You get this thank you pamphlet for your purchase. It's going to tell you how to diamond paint, what's with your diamonds, and then this pumpkin piece of beauty. It's a simpler times. That way, if you divide it from your canvas, you can grab this because it matches your canvas. I'm going to pause the video, open this baby up so you don't have to hear the crinkle crinkle, and then we're going to come back in. And with the magic of the internet, TV, YouTube, whatever you want to call it, here we go. We are back. Look at this massive, oh my goodness. It's beautiful. All these greens, absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to undo one of the trains. Trying to go through these colors. All right. So you've got all these beautiful, gorgeous colors. Again, it's square. If you look at the detail, there's no dust in there. There's no little tags on the ends. It's going to stop these beautiful squares from clicking together. Don't you just love when they click together? Sometimes when I have a whole bunch of one color, which is considered color blocking, I like to do the checkerboard effect. So when I come back through and there's a blank on every other, they click together marvelously. All right, all these beautiful greens and browns. Remember the detail of the trees? This is where you're going to get all that shading, all that color. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, another train. I see some extra sparkles in here. Okay, so 640. All right, here's our 141s. We're going to see where those go. Those are those beautiful white ABs. There's those rich browns that will give you that effect. Ooh, this train is tipsy-turvy. All right, some 906, 702s. Here's that kind of like a lemon lime green. Okay, let's look at some more. So many colors. All right, here we got our reds and purples, and pinks and oranges, blues. Okay, here's another AB. Beautiful. Here's another AB. Here's another, and you can see there's a significant amount in these, so it's not just a little bit here and there. You're going to have a lot of fun with these specials. Okay. Love that they're putting 6000s in, really expanding their color palette. Okay, here we go. These are the truck colors. There's another AB here. Some more truck colors. Okay, here's the first beautiful fairy dust. You can see it's like a mica powder right there. There's another fairy dust. And here's the last fairy dust. With some purples, and that yellow, and brown. Okay, so now we're going to dive in. We're going to get our sheet out here. We're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the dot. Well, I can tell you right now, as I spy with my little eye, the dots are down here in the daisies. So your daisies are going to pop with some ABs. The ones are also scattered throughout all the pink. If you want to look, it's a pink color. So the ones are scattered through there. And then you've got your 4, 5, 3, 2. Okay, let's see. Where did they put some of this stuff? All right, so the 4s are also scattered throughout the flowers. You're going to have lots of beautiful ABs in this daisy-like area. 5s are also scattered throughout the foliage that you have here. And then we're still looking for the 3s and the 2s. The 3s are that light yellow. I'm wondering if it's up here in the sky. Let's look up in the sky. Yes, the 3s are up in the sky. So they're up. Oh my goodness. I need go-go gadget arms. So they're up here, making beautiful, beautiful magic happen in the sky. And then we're looking for, oh, and there's also some over here in the tree foliage, which I think is really cool because it's like a reflection of what's happening up in the sky. And then I'm looking for the 2s. The 2s are a little feisty. Okay, the 2s are here in the flags and in the foliage as well. Okay, so now we're down to the fairy dust. Where is the fairy dust? We're looking for a J, that little beautiful flower symbol, and the up and down percent sign or sideways division sign, however you want to look at it. All right, so the division sign is here in, oh, you guys, in the top of the vehicle. So anywhere you see that light blue, just to give it a little pizzazz. Okay, and then the J's, the purples, ooh, those are over here in this purple foliage, which this reminds me a lot. Here in Michigan, we have a lot of hydrangeas. I know this doesn't look like hydrangeas, but that purple color reminds me of it. It's got a lot of J's there. And then the loop-de-loops, they are scattered here in the foliage. Right here. You're going to have a lot of fun with the loop-de-loops. Help them stand out. They're also down here in this foliage as well, in the flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. So, like I said, this is a 93 by 70 centimeter. It's by Dona Gelsinger from Diamond Art Club. It is absolutely fantastic, gorgeous. It is a square. It's called Simpler Times, 80 colors. You're going to have your key in the upper left. You're going to have your key in the bottom right. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope that you guys love this. It's gorgeous. Look, if you're looking at the rendering is fabulous. You're going to have a lot of fun with the house and the stripes. The symbols are ultra clear. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you have fun with this. Can't wait to see what you see. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.